We'll look at the top 5 DJI Air 3S accessories in this video to help you fly drones like never before.
Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
On number 1, we have FPVtosky hard case. Any owner of a DJI Air 3S who appreciates the security and organization of their drone gear must have the FPVtosky hard case. This sturdy case is made of premium materials that offer superior defense against dust, water, and impacts, guaranteeing that your drone and its accessories stay safe while being transported. To safeguard your DJI Air 3S drone and its accessories, the hard case is composed of engineering plastic and lined with premium EVA foam. Large storage. Up to 8 batteries and other accessories can be stored in a number of adaptable expansion places. The case's sturdy structure and double-lock design offer your drone and accessories total protection. The case's twin-buckle design and robust handle make it simple to carry and store safely. The case is easy to carry thanks to its ergonomic handle and lightweight design, and the strong locks guarantee that everything stays firmly in place. By protecting your valuable drone gear from wear and injury, FPVtosky hard case provides peace of mind for people who travel regularly or just want a dependable storage option. On number 2, we have StartRC LED Propellers. The StartRC LED Propellers are an excellent addition to your DJI Air 3S for drone enthusiasts who enjoy flying at night. An amazing new product is the LED flash propeller. When flying at night, it can enhance the brilliance and coolness of your Air 3S, making your drone the most brilliant dancing elf and incredibly lovely at night. One key allows you to easily switch between the 3 light modes on the Air 3S propeller. When a drone is flying at night, 3 halos will develop on the propeller. If you have long exposure photography skills, you can shoot stunning visuals and make the nighttime flight more humorous. Excellent noise reduction performance, a new aerodynamic design, and the same outstanding performance as the original blades without any shaking. It is long-lasting and has good light transmittance because it is made of transparent PC material. Because a single blade weighs just 12.8 grams, it is lightweight and stable, so it won't interfere with the Air 3 series drone's endurance or regular flight. For any DJI Air 3S pilot who wishes to stand out during evening flights, these dynamic StartRC LED propellers will add flair and safety. On number 3, we have BTG DJI RCN3 cover. Any owner of a DJI Air 3 who wants to shield their remote controller from normal wear and use must have the BTG DJI RCN3 cover. Made for premium silicone, this cover fits snugly and protects the controller from dust, scratches, and small bumps. In order to ensure a satisfactory sunshade at every angle, we utilize 2 damped shaft sun hoods. Shield the screen, buttons, and control sticks from dust, bumps, and scratches. It fits the controller's construction perfectly. Additionally, cleaning the BTG DJI RCN3 cover is simple. Just use a moist cloth to wipe away any dirt or grime. This attachment, which comes in a range of vivid colors, lets you customize the tools in addition to providing useful protection. The BTG DJI RCN3 cover is a great complement to your DJI Air 3S setup, whether you're flying in harsh outside conditions or simply want to preserve your controller looking brand new. It makes a statement during evening flights. On number 4, we have StartRC Strobe Light. The StartRC Strobe Light is an essential DJI Air 3S accessory for drone pilots who value safety and visibility. The visibility of your drone is significantly enhanced by this small but effective strobe light, particularly in low light or when doing intricate flight maneuvers. Drones operating at night must have 360 degrees of visibility, more than 6 kilometers of visibility, and anti-collision lighting that comply with FAA regulations, advantageous for enhancing object recognition and warning, which helps to avert collisions and mishaps. 1 color steady light, 1 color slow flash, flashing once in 1000 ms, the same frequency as civil aviation. 1 color fast flash, flashing once in 500 ms, dual color loop, and 3 color breathing cycling modes are among the various lighting modes available to you. The illumination mode prior to shutdown will be maintained following shutdown thanks to its memory feature. The StartRC Strobe Light gives you the extra guarantee that your drone will stay visible and in compliance with safety rules, whether you're flying in foggy conditions or at dusk. On number 5, we have generic Airdrop system with landing gear. An inventive and adaptable add-on that can increase the capabilities of your DJI Air 3S is the generic Airdrop system with landing gear. You can send a gift to your significant other on special occasions, hover high above your kids or dogs, carry, deliver, and drop supplies during search and rescue missions, and more with the multi-scene drone airdrop device with landing gear for Air 3S. The thrower who reaches the furthest flight distance is the one who uses the drone's remote control signal to operate the photosensitive switch of the drone's own lights. By raising the landing gear's effective fuselage height by 13 millimeters, ground debris can't pollute the fuselage or harm the gimbal and fuselage during takeoff and landing. This system comes with landing gear that gives your drone additional stability and protection, in addition to the airdrop capability. By raising the drone, the landing gear protects the camera and gimbal from debris and uneven ground when taking off and landing. Additionally, its greater height reduces the possibility of harming the propellers, increasing the DJI Air 3's overall longevity. Because of its lightweight and aerodynamic design, the landing gear won't have a major effect on the drone's battery life or flight performance. Constructed from premium materials, it provides strong support without needless bulk. So these are some of the best accessories to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe for future updates.